Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve a question of complex analysis and let's move to the question. So the question is, let gamma rt equals to 2 plus iota plus r e raised to power 2 pi iota t, where t belongs to 0, 1 and r is 1 and 2. Then we have to find out which of the following given statement is true. So first statement is gamma 1 integration over gamma 1 tan z dz equals to 2 pi iota, and integration over gamma 1 tan z dz equals to minus 2 pi iota, and integration over gamma 2 tan z dz equals to 2 pi iota, and integration over gamma 2 tan z dz equals to minus 2 pi iota. Okay, so here are the options. So to solve this integration or this question, first we have to find out what is this curve. Yeah, how it curves looks alike. So let's suppose x plus iota y is equal to 2 plus iota plus r e raised to power 2 pi iota t. So x plus iota y is equal to 2 plus iota plus r, or we can write e raised to power 2 pi iota t is cos 2 pi t plus iota sine 2 pi t. So from here we can write imaginary on comparing imaginary and real part. So x is equal to 2 plus r cos 2 pi t and y is equal to 1 plus r sine 2 pi t. So it behaves like an parametric curves. So on rearranging, x minus 2 is equal to r cos 2 pi t and y minus 1 equals to r sine 2 pi t. So on squaring and adding first and second, we got this curve, which is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equals to r square, which is an equation of a circle with radius r and center 2, 1. Okay, center 2, 1 and radius r. Okay, so it is an equation of a circle. So from the question, r is equal to 1 or 2. Okay, so when r is equal to 1, so the center is 2, 1 and r is 1, that means the radius is 1. Okay, so gamma 1 is this circle of this type. So this is gamma 1, and when r is equal to 2, then the radius is 2 with center 2, 1. So gamma 2 will be the circle with radius 2 and with center 2, 1. Yeah. So yes, gamma 2 is this black circle. So I drawn it roughly. Yes, so it is gamma 2. Now we have to calculate integration tan z dz over gamma 1 and gamma 2. Okay, so to find this integration, we use the important principle of complex analysis, which is argument principle. So it says that if fz is a meromorphic function over closed contour C, then integration over C f dash z upon fz dz equals to 2 pi iota n minus p, where n is the number of zeros of fz inside C with counting multiplicities, and p is the number of poles of fz inside C with counting orders. Okay, so from here we can write tan z as sin z over cos z and dz. Okay, so derivative of cos z is equal to minus sin z. Okay, so we multiply it by minus. Okay, like this way. Okay, so now we can apply argument principle in this, right? Yeah, so we use the argument principle for this. So f of z is equal to cos z. So cos z doesn't have any poles, so we have to calculate the zeros of cos z. So zeros of cos z is equal to cos z is equal to 0, and z is equal to cos inverse of 0, which is z is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So let's calculate for gamma 1. Gamma 1 minus sine z upon cos z dz is equal to minus 2 pi iota, and number of zeros of cos z lies inside C. Lies inside C means lies inside gamma 1. So when n is equal to 0, so it is pi by 2. Then it n is equal to 1, then it is 3 pi by 2. So pi by 2 is something here. Pi by 2 is something here, which is not lie inside the gamma 1, and 3 pi by 2 is something here, okay, which is not lie inside gamma 1. So the number of zeros lie inside gamma 1 is 0, so it will be 0. Okay, now let's calculate for gamma 2. So gamma 2 minus sine z upon cos z dz. Okay, now let's find out which of how many zeros lie inside gamma 2. So it is pi by 2. Okay, so yeah, it lies inside gamma 2, but 3 pi by 2 is something here, so it doesn't lie inside gamma 2. Yeah, so only one zero lie inside gamma 2, so it will be minus 2 pi iota, only 1, because number of zeros lie inside gamma 2 is 1, so equals to minus 2 pi iota. So the right answer is integration gamma 2 tan z dz equals to minus 2 pi iota. Okay, so let's find out which of the given option is correct. Yes, so gamma 1 is 0, it will rho, and gamma 2 is its rho, it's gamma 2 tan z is a minus 2 pi iota. So fourth option is the correct option. Okay, thank you all.